Hello, my name is Emily and welcome to TechSavvyTeam. Today I will be installing a new keyboard into the Panasonic Toughbook CF-30. The Toughbook is a durable military-grade laptop that can survive a 6-foot drop, extreme temperatures, dust, and moisture. The CF-30 is an ideal choice for police and public safety officers, transportation and logistics workers, telecom or utility technicians, geographical surveyors, mechanics, and even unmanned aerial vehicle operators. I will now begin to install the new keyboard into the Toughbook. To start, remove the 4 screws from the bezel and remove the bezel from the body. Next, unscrew the keyboard plate and set it aside. There are 3 clips to hold the ribbons in place, which can be opened using the flathead screwdriver. Once these clips are open, carefully insert the ribbons into their respective slots and close the clip. When all the ribbons are inserted, screw the keyboard plate back on. Lightly fit the keyboard in place and screw the bezel back in. Let's turn on the Toughbook and see if the keyboard works.
So, how do you like the video? If you enjoyed it and want to see more, please click on the like and subscribe button below. If there's anything we can improve on or something you want us to review, please let us know in the comments. This is Larry, and we are a Tech Savvy team connecting you with technology.